What is up, everybody? Right now, I am actually just chilling with this dog that comes around pretty often. He's really sweet. Do you want to say hi? Do look at me, buddy. Do. His name is Do. Probably one of the sweetest dogs ever. Do. Kids, they're fun. Because I want to hang out with my Do. Hey, Do. Bubba, come here. Do. Okay, I'm going to end the video. Bye.